everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, the topic given for us is pious and sanctimonious from the editorial page of Hindu newspaper. The government must not see all criticism as part of a conspiracy against India. India's unusual response to comments on the ongoing farmers' protest by some international celebrities comes across as highly sanctimonious. The temptation of sensationalist social media hashtags and comments, especially when restored to buy celebrities and others, is neither accurate nor responsible. The Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement it advised these celebrities to ascertain facts and properly understand the issues at hand. Before rushing to comment on such matters, the response is somewhat supercilious in the immediate context of what singer and performer Rihanna had said in a single tweet. She had asked why the issue was not being talked about more, while drawing attention to a news report on the extraordinary measures taken by the government to put down the farmers' protests, including the laying of trenches and barricades and banning the internet. The other international personages who had ventured to talk about the issues included some lawmakers from the US and the UK too. But even that did not warrant a formal response for the government. If the MEA statements claim that some vested interest growth were mobilizing international support smacked of paranoia, the fact that a few isolated comments could send the Indian government into a tizzy and lead to a lengthy riposte reflects a Sikh mentality arising from the deep insecurity, whether it is organized dissent within the country or informal criticism from elsewhere. It seems everything as a conspiracy against itself, a design on the country's unity and the stuff of propaganda. The registration of a police case after Greta Thunberg, the teenage Swedish shade a protesters toolkit on Twitter, has added another twist to this unedifying demonstration of touchness. Many Indian celebrities from the fields of cinema and sports joined issue with Rihanna to state their case against what they saw as external interference. Many of them had proposed their desire to keep the country together and voice their disapproval. The larger issue, of course, is something the government itself has drawn attention. What is the limit? What is the limit to the claim that a problem is a country's internal matter and something that those outside its border are not entitled to comment upon? So this is our today's topic. Thank you.